I just couldn't find something that I could really get to do the job. I went to the US, I looked at some machines there, tested them out, and decided, you know what, I think I'll go back into business and make my own. We went from there, designed a prototype, made a prototype, and we took it to the Agri-Technica show in Germany, and we exhibited there in the following year. We got 2 dealers at that first show, and the business has evolved since that.
So when Multihog was established in 2008, one of the goals was we look at the multifunctionality in the name Multihog for the end user, for the customer, which could be a municipality, it could be a university, it could be a contractor. Using the machine all year round gives them an added value.
Probably the biggest thing is just the versatility of the machine. You know, we can have a snow event and I need to put the plow on it. Then we go out and we use it to plow courts or maybe some streets. And then we may get a warm up. A few days later, everything melts and we can just take the plow off, put the profile saw on it, and we can go out and we can go cut back a canopy along a roadside. I mean, if it warms up enough and we need to sweep downtown, we can go put the sweeper on the front of it. We can go sweep downtown also. It makes it easier to just have one guy that's in the multi-haul doing the work versus if I had to have guys out on the ground running power tools, chainsaws, things like that. It just makes it so much safer, and it can be done a lot faster.
The requirements are evolving all the time. Machines are changing, technology is changing. We have to be ahead of that. And that's why, to us, innovation is so important. But it means we can produce the product that our customers want. A lot of what we do is the ideas we have ourselves, but those ideas sometimes are influenced by what the customers actually ask for. In fact, the best ideas come from the customer in reality. And we listen to the customer very carefully.
Multihog have been present in the US market since 2013. We're selling through a dealer network in North America, and we work very hard with our dealer network. So it's more of a hands-on approach than a lot of a competition on that side. For us, it's the relationship with the dealers and then having the right machine for the customer and the end user.
We make a really good product, but we need to make a really good product because some of our products are being used 24/7, working 3 shifts a day. We can't afford any downtime. If there is service to be done, it needs to be very accessible. If a customer has a problem, we have a bigger problem. So it's all hands on deck to try and get any problem sorted as quickly as possible, because we know those machines need to be in operation all of the time. Enterprise Ireland have been extremely helpful. They've been with us since we started the business. Now they've been very supportive financially with R&D, research and development grants. It's been hugely beneficial to the business, and it means we can really grow and become a much bigger business.